Okay, here we are again. We're at a gun show in Cheyenne, Wyoming. And I got another interesting package from a customer for Brad. And look, there he is. Okay. Brad Buckner, the places I go to find you so I can give you the return mail from your customers.
Okay.
This guy got damaged product from you, Brad.
Damaged product.
Yep, and I gotta see.
Okay, well, it cost $4.80 to get it back to us, I guess. And this is Daniel from North Carolina. Okay.
North Carolina.
If you want to find Daniel, just drive to North Carolina, turn right, and then go a little bit north, and I think that's where Daniel lives. Or yeah, Daniel. Okay, so.
All right, I am interested.
All right, so am I. That knife is sharp. All right, I love it when I just get handed stuff, and then I have to figure it out, look at it. All right, damaged goods.
Oh, there's our original packaging.
Okay, that is our packaging. Okay, it doesn't look too bad.
Ooh.
Well, I mean, these are just little tears.
Okay. Maybe he didn't like the package. Maybe the package was damaged.
That was definitely caught, I believe, in a machine because I can see metal flakes there and stuff. So, okay, it's been cut open. Oh, well. You know, if that got damaged, holy cow. You do send these out like that, right?
Yeah. So it's
okay.
double bubble.
So double bubble, damage there. All right, and then here and here.
And we have more fancier packaging now.
Okay, and then it was on both sides.
Oh, so yeah, it got it. Oh.
It must have been wham, you know, like that.
Okay.
So I have a cousin who's actually one of the maintenance people who actually fixes the machines at the post office.
That's right.
So it'd be interesting to see what Wade says.
Hey, Wade.
All right, let's look and see here. I don't know what all's in this bag.
Oh my God.
Oh, geez. All right, so that one. Holy cow, that is just mashed.
Whoa.
And this one is
severed,
completely broken off. Received damaged products. I have never seen anything like this. Okay.
Oh.
And both of the cards. Holy cow! This got smashed in a machine of some sort. Thank you. So let's see. But all right, let's see what we got here.
Our torture test couldn't even do this.
No, I don't know how they did this. Holy cow, my God. Can you believe this? That almost broke that piece. You know what I'm betting? There's a post office machine somewhere that don't function right anymore. Because it's got to take a lot to break this one completely in two and smash this one that bad. See how white it is? It was seriously trying to break that.
Oh. There's no way. You couldn't even.
Oh my God.
We've tried that in the past, man. We tried to run that car over it.
Well, yeah. You're not going to just break these. But you know what? I'll bet it still works. And, you know, this has got to go in the archives because there are no sharpeners in existence like this. Woo.
Sharpen a knife with it.
Okay, we'll sharpen this one. Run right down through there sideways. Just like that. It actually works really good. All right, so if we're going to sharpen this knife, it'd be just like this, just like that. Actually, the bend works pretty good. You can come back this way, out that way. All right, so yeah, there's got to be a postal, U.S. postal machine somewhere that really took it in the shorts. So beware, I guess, when you send it for USPS, that it doesn't turn into absolute BS. And it's, you know what's amazing
The
is
USPS?
that it's all still here, that it never made it out of the package. Okay. Well, you know what, Daniel? You get the award for having the most busted up sharpener that I've ever seen. Pretty cool. So I guess, okay, now I think this was in March, if I'm not mistaken. So it got misplaced by us somewhere, and then, yeah. And then found, and then has it been replaced by now?
Yes, yeah, he got it good and extra.
Yep, been replaced by now. But I just got to admit, I got to say,
That's got to be on your table.
yeah, that this is an absolute first. So Daniel, you get first place for having the most screwed up sharpener I've ever seen. And whatever actually broke that one, and it broke it quick because it just literally snapped it. Okay. So this is Brad Buckner, sharpensbest.com in Cheyenne, Wyoming, out at Archer Complex. And I've seen it all now, I think. So you guys take care. North Carolina, you take care. We'll talk to you later. Man, oh man, never seen anything like that.